here's how you can unsync iPad from another iPad, right? And let me show you how it works. If this is your first time on Foxtecc, most definitely subscribe so you do not miss the tutorials and upcoming explanations like this one. Obviously, if you have multiple devices, it might be an iPhone or iPad or even more iPads. If you want to unsync one from each other, it all happens and gets synced through iCloud. So this is where we need to manage it. This can be found inside of the settings app when you go to your profile and at the top and go to the iCloud. And essentially you have to decide either on one device or the other what you want to stop syncing. Right? So you have multiple devices, but one iCloud account. And I can decide that from this iPad, I don't want to sync anything from it, right? For example, the notes I take on my iPad will not be synced to the cloud and they will not appear on the other iPad. So I can go to the notes and turn off the syncing of the notes. It just means that every single note I take on the iPad will stay here. It will not be backed up to the cloud and therefore it will not appear on the other iPad. So that is one way to do it. You could also just keep it turned on right here, but decide to do the very same thing, but on the other device. So you would decide that, yeah, the notes taken on this iPad will be backed up to iCloud, but they will not appear on the other iPad, because on the other iPad, you turn off this thing just so, and you will basically just stop the connection there. So you are backing up your notes from this iPad to the cloud, but they are not appearing on the other iPad. And that's how you have to manage it. You know, you can go app by app specifically. So many different things can be synced. Like, it's not just about the notes, of course. There are Safari browser tabs and also the reminders and all of those things which you can see right here. And that's how you have to decide one by one what gets synced to the iCloud and what appears on one device or the other. So I hope it makes sense. I really hope I could explain it concisely. So let me know what you think about that below in the comments. Thanks a lot for watching, and I hopefully get to see you later in the next explanations and videos like this one.